Have your kids ever wanted to see their art come to life to tell a story? They can join the Skokie Public Library for the Digital Story Creation Project, an interactive 3-part workshop where all they need are crayons, markers, and their imagination. They'll work with other kids to make a digital story like this. The Wolf and the Bear, adapted and read by Caitlin Savage, with illustrations by Sue Teller. Alan the Wolf thought very highly of himself. With strong, sharp claws like these, what beast could be as terrifying as me? Catching a glimpse of himself in a nearby pond, he said, "Why, Alan, what big ears you have." Taking a moment to preen, he replied to his reflection, "All the better to hear your very astute words, my handsome friend. Just look at my fur, so thick and shiny. And these teeth? Is there any question as to who runs the forest? I think not." And with a luxurious shake, he turned and loped off in search of small creatures to intimidate. As he ran, he took note of his shadow, long and tall in the late afternoon sun. "Look at that size," he thought. "What a huge and imposing animal I am." So intent was his focus on his growing shadow that he hardly noticed the hungry grizzly bear blocking his path. The last thought Alan had before disappearing down the ravenous bear's throat was, "What does a magnificent wolf like me have to fear from a little old bear?"